Okay, we're going to look at number 17, 18, and 19 here. These are multiplication problems, and one of the first things we want to do when we're multiplying is see if we can cross-cancel anything. So if I see 5 and 7 here, they don't have anything in common, and neither do 9 and 4. That means I need to multiply straight across. So I'm going to multiply this direction, 5 times 4 and 9 times 7. So 5 times 4 is 20. 9 times 7 is 63. That is an ugly fraction, but that is the answer. 5 times 4 is 20. 9 times 7 is 63. So let's go and look at this one here. We have 3 different fractions that we're multiplying together. And for sure, I want to look for ways to cancel. So let's see. One thing I can look at here is I see the 7 and 14. That one's an obvious one for me. I'm going to do 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Ooh, look at that. 2 and 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And I'm going to go 1 here. And now I have this left, 6 and 15. I can't divide 15 by 6, but I can divide it by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And now I'm ready to go ahead and do my multiplication. 2 times 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5 times 1 is 5. And so this answer is 2/5, or 2 over 5. Number 19. Number 19 here, notice that I have 2 mixed numbers. And so for me to multiply mixed numbers, the first thing I have to do is change them into improper fractions. And so I want to do that. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15 over 7. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 5 is 14 over 9. Oh, isn't that beautiful? 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10 over 3. If I want to make a mixed number, I can do 10 divided by 3. 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. So that's 3 and 1/3. So I thought I would do these last 2 again, just because I might have gone ahead and canceled those kind of quickly. So I want to look at it again. So 6 over 7 times 14 over 15 times 1 over 2. And we want to look for crosses, right? So I'm going to use a different colored pen. Maybe I'll go to a green pen. If I see the 7 and 14, I see there's a clear relationship there. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. And as soon as I do that, I see this relationship, 2 and 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And here, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And I have this left, 6 and 15. And I can't divide 15 by 6, but I can divide both of these numbers by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now I'm ready to multiply across. 2 times 1 is 2, times 1 is equal to 2. 1 times 5 is 5, and 5 times 1 is 5. And that gives me the answer of 2/5. The second problem was, let's see, 2 and 1/7 times 1 and 5/9. And this is the one that I thought I had done maybe a little bit quickly. So if I look at this one here, the first thing I have to do to multiply the fraction, the mixed number, is to change it into an improper fraction. So 7 times 2 is 14. Remember, we're going to go this way is multiplication. Then when we go this way, we're going to add. So 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15, and that's 15 over 7, because we're going to keep the denominator the same. And then going that direction again, 9, going this direction, 9 times 1 plus 5. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14 over 9. So then as we look at this fraction, one of the things we can see to do is that 7 and 14, again, are buddies. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Then I can look at this fraction here. I can't divide 15 by 9, but I can divide 15 by 3, and I can divide 9 by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now I can multiply across. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 3 is 3. So this is a nice fraction. Everybody's happy with this fraction, but we might want to go ahead and change it to a mixed number too. So 10 over 3 is the same thing as 10 divided by 3. 3 goes into 10 3 times, we get 9 and 1 left over. So we have 3 1/3. And notice 10 over 3 is the same thing as 3 1/3. I can check this like this. My denominator 3 times the whole number, 3 times 3 is 9, plus the numerator is 10, and that would be equal to 10 over 3. And that tells me that's correct.